Today I'd like to present you a one-of-a-kind machine. But actually, it's not only about the machine anymore. There is much more to being successful in the sheet metal business. Automation is a pillar in a lot of companies' strategy, and finding skilled labor in manufacturing becomes only increasingly harder. But don't worry, Bystronic has been a technology leader in bending automation since the 2000s, and our core message stays the same. Make automation easy, productive, and with the highest standard of quality. Bystronic has press brakes and bending cells for worry-free sheet metal bending automation, which cover heavy-duty jobs, but also work in confined spaces. New to the bending family is the ByBendStar 120, and it fits perfectly between the small and the large size press brakes. And now we placed it here. This is our new Bycell BendStar M. The M stands for mid-size, which are parts up to 1200 x 800 millimeters and up to 35 kilos in weight. To ensure lights-out operation of the bending cell, we equipped this machine with some pretty cool features. But before we have a look into that, let's talk to our operator. Hello, Mr. Robot. Not the most talkative guy, but okay. Let's dive into programming. Hi, Marcel.
I get it. I actually got some time for you. I'm already done with my program.
Well, looking at your screen, that looks pretty easy to use. Can you show me?
It is, because we're using the same bending program as we use for the press brake, also for the robot. Now, what makes the programming so easy? Instead of moving the robot, we are actually just moving the part, and the robot follows our motion. So we can see here when we are changing the gripper, it gives me a full 3D preview of what that change means in the robotic program. There's a couple other features that we added to the software to make it easy. For example, an accurate simulation of any collisions and the program itself. We can optimize some of the robotic movements automatically, but the biggest feature is the auto path calculation, where the software can automatically calculate the robot movement that is required for the next step. Once I'm done with my program, I can do a quick check if everything looks good. And for my stack patterns, when I start programming them, I only have to program one part. After that, it's easy copy and paste. That's how easy the software is.
Before bending a part, the press brake needs some tooling installed. Our bending cell comes with an automatic tool changer, which does that perfectly every single time. There is absolutely no programming involved, it's all done automatic. Sometimes you might require a special tool. You can always and easily insert special tools manually. No problem at all. To switch between different jobs autonomously, you also require a gripper changer. Our bending cell comes with a vertical rack equipped with the latest RFID technology to ensure that we always select the right gripper. You can store up to 6 different grippers in this gripper tree, and of course you can exchange them for different ones too. Absolutely impressive, isn't it? The latest feature we added to our technology stack is the optical part detection. With this vision system, we can recognize if the right parts are in the cell, and even if the stacks have shifted, the robot can automatically reposition to pick up the parts correctly every single time. It will also tell you when the stack is empty, and you can skip the complete referencing cycle. Once the robot picks up the part, we have the possibility to automatically separate sheets by using a brush or a magnet, depending on your material needs. If for some reason sheets still stick together, we have a double sheet detection that will alert you when this accidentally happens. Quite smart, what do you think? You might remember the camera system from our ByBendStar 120. This laser angle measuring system, LAMS, is crucial for autonomously bending parts. It guarantees all your bending angles come out perfectly without the need of an operator intervention. The robot can actively follow parts. Based on your gripper type and application, this can save valuable time. We also integrated the regrip station directly in front of the machine to eliminate any unnecessary repositioning time during the bending cycle. We know that one automation size does not fit all of your requirements. That is why we decided to make this system modular so it can grow with you. and fulfill your specific needs. Whether this means a conveyor, a storage connection, or any customization to utilize this cell to the absolute maximum. Deciding on the perfect bending automation for you may seem daunting, but we are here to help. At Bystronic, we have a dedicated team to analyze your parts, your workflow, and requirements. Together, we are your best choice. Reach out to your local subsidiary for a live demo of the Bycell Bendstar M. We are looking forward to seeing you. Right, Mr. Robot? Don't worry. The next job is already waiting for you. Geez, why is that guy so impatient?